is Ed, and today I'm going to tell you about state of matter. What is state of matter? State of matter divided into three groups of materials, like the number 1, solid, number 2, liquid, and number 3, gas. Now there are 3 rules in those materials. Number 1, can they float? Number 2, can we squeeze them? And number 3, does it keep its shape? First, I will tell you about solid. Almost the thing in the world is solid. The blanket, the remote, the pillow, the teddy, and the books. Even the bed is made of solid. Or everything, like the door and other things around the world. Now, solid can't float, but it can keep its shape, and we can't squeeze it. But I can squeeze a blanket, but I can still touch it. It's something we can if of course liquid, and of course liquid we can touch it, but we have to feel it like this. I can feel the blanket, so that's why I can squeeze the blanket, but it's still solid because I can feel it.
Because you can hold it in your hand.
Hold it in my hand. But liquid and gas do not. And now I will tell you about liquid. There's a lot of liquid in my home, like water, oil over there, soy sauce, fish sauce, or the smoke.
No, smoke is gas.
No, okay.
Milk.
Or milk. Or even
Some kind of drink.
Like
what does your father drink every night?
Beer, or wine. That's all I can have in my house. They are liquids. Liquids can change its shape. It can float, and we can't squeeze it. Now, liquid can be seas, oceans, lakes, and rivers, or even puddle. Or rain is liquid. Liquid is the thing that it changes shape. Or when, for example, there's a jar of water, it first is round, but when it fall down, it drop and it changes shape. But liquid, like this, my teddy bear, when I drop it, it just keep its shape. But liquid didn't, because it is liquid. And now,
hang on. So how can you hold the liquid?
By containers. We can hold liquids by our hands, but we can do that with containers. But the containers have to be solid, like a bucket, or a cup, a bath, or a mug, or a glass, or a bottle, and anything that has a hole.
Good job.
That is solid. And now I will tell you about gas. gas is so small that we can't see it. Gas can be everywhere. Gas also come from station, factory, smokes, or the wind that we blow, or that's smoke, or pollution.
No, air.
Air.
Yeah. Oxygen.
Or
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all is gas. Gas. There's one thing that gas can do. But okay, liquid can change shape. Solid it can't change shape. But there's one thing that gas can control the volume of the container. For example, you have a bottle of perfume in your room, and then you open the perfume. But if it is, for example, there's only a bit perfume, but when you open it, it still take the whole container of the room, because it is air. I mean, it's gas. Gas can be that we make the noise to a bottom out, or if the ground sandy, when we kick it's smoke come out. So that is gas. So gas can do the most thing, that it can control the volume in the container, and it can change its shape. And
do you mean gas is the most flexible
material in the state of matter? And that is something I can tell you about state of matter. Now you have know the state of matter, right? Now, thank you for listening. Good night.